Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today in this video we are explaining the generator Deep-sea Plc controller block diagram. How the Deep-sea Plc controller complete system is work. All in connections with the sensors, startup, stop, signals, alarm status and controls and protections with the generators. Before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started. Talking about the sensor, start, stop signal, alarm status, controls, protection with the generator. If we look back of the DFC controller, as you can see here, we have some TVs, terminal number 1 to 10. This is the battery connection and also the fuel, crank, charging alternators and digital inputs. As you can see, after that the terminal 11 to 21 is analog input, oil pressure sensor, temperature sensor, and after that, as you can see, the 16, 17 and 18, this is the MPU inputs. And after that, as you can see here, can high and can low, and upper side, as you can see here, terminal 25 to 32, the generator current inputs, generator inputs, and also the main inputs, because this controller is using an auto mains failure. Okay. After that, as you can see here, from the 33 to 37, here is our current transformer connection. Okay, and the terminal 38 to 43, this is the digital outputs. Okay, so let's move to explain the complete diagram of this controller. As you can see, pin number 1 and 2, this is the battery negative and positive inputs, and the pin number 3 is the emergency stop push button inputs, positive feed to the pin number 3. 4 and 5, this is the fuel out and crank out to the fuel and crank relay. Okay, after that, as you can see here, pin 11, 13, 12, 13, 14 and 15, as you can see here, this is the analog inputs. Okay, which is we are using for the sensor, oil pressure sensor, temperature sensor, and etc. And as you can see, the pin number 6 is used for the charging alternator input, which is mentioned with the W or L. Okay, here we have user configurable and digital input, analog input and digital input. As you can see, the pin 30, 39, 31, 2, 3, 4, as you can see here, this one. And also we have the NPU negative and positive, and also the shield wire, and also as you can see, the can high and can low connections. And the upper side, as you can see here, we have the generator inputs, and also we have the main inputs. Okay, and the last one, as you can see here, we have the NPU inputs and negative. Here we have the NPU upper side, as you can see, 16 and 17, 18, this is the NPU inputs. And as you can see here, we have programmable ports. This is the complete installation method of the Deep-sea Plc all type of controller. Okay, so I hope to watch this video and understand little about the Deep-sea Plc controller installation. If you have further any question, please write comment below in comment section. If you need the wiring diagram, please write your email in a comment. I will send you through the email. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.